Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's tutorial is I will be showing you how to make this beautiful earring. It's beautiful, so you can adjust guys if you like one color, two colors. For this one I use three colors, but I will be showing you I will just use one color the whole entire tutorial, so it's up to you guys, but the process is the same. So yeah, I will be showing you in one color today. Yeah, and you can just adjust on your liking. Okay, so let's start. Today I will be using, because blue is my favorite color, I will be using blue for this tutorial, and I will be just looking using one color. Okay, and first we are going to start with a slip knot. Then grab your needles. From here we are going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we are going to slip stitch into the first chain, just there, slip stitch, just like that, and we are on our second row. Okay, so second row is chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So we have chain 1 here, we can see the hole there, so we are going to insert our hook in the hole and place 1 double crochet. Okay, so we're going to next stitch, okay, and putting 2 double crochet again in the same stitch. 1, 2, and then to the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, then to the next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, okay, and to the next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 more chain left. So 2 double crochet and 2, and to the next stitch, 2 double crochet together. 1, 2. Okay, so that is our first row. Okay, now second row, where if you want to change color in this point, okay, you have to finish it off. Okay, so with this one is I chain 15 and then 2 double crochets in the next 7th stitch, okay, and I cut it off and start my second color, okay. But this tutorial is I will be using one color the whole entire tutorial, so the whole earring will be one color. So it's up to you guys. If you want to change, you can change it now, okay. If not, we will be continuing, okay. So chain 3, 1 2 3, and then turn your work and into the first chain, okay, 1 more double crochet, into the next chain, 2 double crochet, and into the next chain, 1 double crochet, to the next chain, 1 double crochet, and the next chain, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and the next chain, 1 double crochet, next stitch, 1 double crochet, to the next stitch, 2 double crochet together, 1 2, next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, so we have 1 2 left, so I will be putting 2 double crochet in each stitch, 1 2, in the same stitch, 2 double crochet, and then the last one, 2 double crochet. There you go. Okay, so in this point, if you're going to change your color, you can cut this off and change color, okay, because I will be using the same color, so I will be continuing the tutorial, okay. So third, first, second, third, so 4th row, okay. So chain 3, so flip your work, okay, and to the same stitch, 1 more double crochet, and to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and to the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2, okay, and then the next stitch, 1 double crochet, next stitch, 1 double crochet, the next stitch, 1 double crochet. So we have 1 2 3, and then the next stitch we'll put 2 double crochet in the same stitch, okay. The next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 3 chain, 1 2 3, the next stitch we'll put 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2, and then the next 3 stitch we'll be putting 1 double crochet in each stitch, okay. So 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, and to the last stitch, 2 double crochet. Okay, so there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and you can just make another one for this, and that is how I make my beautiful earring. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like, if you can leave a comment if you like the video, and you can subscribe as well, and please like and share my video. Thank you guys, until next time, bye.